This year, the National Maritime Museum in Greenwich, London, will be celebrating the Year of the Rabbit on Saturday, the 21st of January. The event has been created in collaboration with local Vietnamese and Chinese communities from South London to showcase their favourite bits of the Lunar New Year celebration. Visitors can drop in from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. and take part in talks, tours, and craft workshops for the whole family. Come along and create lanterns, hongbao, or lucky zodiac decorations. Learn to play mahjong, or stop by Objects in Focus and see some of the collection items relating to Lunar New Year that are not normally on display. Across the day, you can head to the Great Map to see lion dances, Tai Chi and martial arts demonstrations, opera, and a performance of the Jade Emperor story. From 5:30 p.m, head over the road to the Old Royal Naval College for a fantastic light display with live performances and a food market in the heart of historic Greenwich.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanya and I'm one of the astronomers at the Royal Observatory Greenwich, and I'm going to be introducing the upcoming planetarium shows that we'll be hosting in celebration of Lunar New Year. The first show is going to be on the 21st of January at 10:30 a.m. and it's a show called Chinese Astronomy, and this will be the Lunar New Year special where we'll be talking about both ancient and modern Chinese astronomy. We'll talk a little bit about the traditional Chinese calendar, of course the Lunar New Year as well, the connection between the traditional calendar and the sun and the moon, some constellations, comparing the ancient Chinese constellations with modern constellations, and even a little bit about modern space exploration. The other two shows will happen a little bit later on, and they fall under the Bilingual Families program, so they are language shows. We will have a Mandarin language show on the 11th of February and a Cantonese language show on the 12th of February, both at 10:30 in the morning. Both shows will explore the solar system, planets, moons, and much, much more. All tickets will include free entrance to the Historical Observatory. To learn more or to book a ticket, please go onto our website at rmg.co.uk or follow the links. Thank you for giving me the time to introduce our upcoming planetarium shows at the Royal Observatory Greenwich. Hope to see you there.